Alright, what's up, guys? We're taking a road trip with the boys. We got Pat driving, Dan Cole, pilot. Seat crew. We're getting some fireworks. Got to cross over the border because you only got to be 18 to get some fireworks, and I don't think they sell them in New Jersey. So, taking a little road trip. I'll let you know how it goes. Alright, we just made it into Pennsylvania.
Officially here.
Is there a sign? No sign for welcome to Pennsylvania. It might have passed already. Oh, wait.
There's a welcome center.
Welcome center. Okay.
We want someone to greet our car. Oh, there she is.
Oh,
there she
did I miss it? Oh, no, there it is.
Pennsylvania.
We made it. Yay. We made it.
Sky King.
Sky King. Yo, Dan. Okay, we're in the store right now. Maybe one of the coolest stores I've ever been in. We got a full cart.
I don't think you can scan it.
Deals were insane. Buy one, get two for free. The whole store is buy one, get one free. So, we're living it up. Yes.
Yeah.
Alright, we just got out of the store. And we got everything.
This fucking shit, dude. We got
Oh
America's
my god.
Nutcrusher.
You got the Nutcrusher.
We're gonna blow this town sky high, brother.
Oh my god. Really anything you can imagine we got. So be there. Alright, we're stopping for lunch. Found Pop's Kitchen. Kind of a local place. It's at a gas station. But it'll work. We're going in.
Score. I really want to sit down. Oh, Phil, you went.
Alright, really cool place. Just got my sandwich. Looks pretty heavy. Great bread. Got pinball. John's playing Pac-Man. Really comfortable chairs, can't complain.
Grab the bottle. I got it.
I have every match except for one.
Okay, we're at or what's it called? Pops?
Let me see.
Still at Pops. Sandwiches were great. Probably 4 out of 5 star. John bought a lottery ticket. We're trying to figure out what's happening now. He thinks he won a lot of money. Probably not. John, what do you got to say?
I really think I won a lot of money. I have every match except for one number.
Oh. I'll let you know how much you won. Don't pull out.
I'm seeing singles.
$50!
$50! Oh, yeah!
John, get in the fucking car.
$3. Okay, we just got
Spark one up today and save
some cigars.
Probably gonna be nasty, a little unlabeled one.
One for the 4th of July. One for today. We got the cheapest ones. Let's see how it is.
Fucking rock, you know.
Like, who put those in?
How long have you been there?
Okay, we've been driving around for about half an hour trying to find this cliff jump. And I think we found the path. Okay, so we couldn't find the cliff jump. So we're just jumping in. Really nice lake.
It changed colors.